Welcome back everyone, and welcome back to Chamaemelum Gardens. Today we're taking a closer look at a small but mighty herb, one that's been cherished for centuries for its soothing properties and gentle beauty. I'm talking about Roman chamomile, a classic that's as comforting to grow as it is to sip in a warm cup of tea. Here's something that might surprise you. Roman chamomile has been nicknamed the plant's physician because of its unique ability to improve the health of nearby plants. It emits natural compounds that help protect its companions from disease and stress. Now that's some herbal teamwork. Roman chamomile traces its roots back to Western Europe and North Africa. It's called Roman not because it came from Rome, but because a botanist supposedly discovered it growing near the Colosseum in the 16th century. Since ancient times, chamomile has been used by Greeks, Romans, and Egyptians, not just for its calming effects, but also in ceremonial, culinary, and cosmetic uses. It's been a garden staple ever since. This plant is a low-growing perennial, forming a soft, fragrant mat of finely divided, feathery green leaves and cheerful daisy-like flowers with yellow centers and white petals. Roman chamomile typically stays around 6 to 12 inches tall, spreading gently across the ground. Its aroma is sweet and apple-like. In fact, chamomile comes from the Greek words for ground apple. Roman chamomile is pretty laid back when it comes to care. It thrives in full sun or partial shade, prefers well-draining soil, think sandy or loamy. It doesn't like soggy roots, so avoid overwatering. Once established, it's drought tolerant, making it a perfect choice for low-water gardens. It grows well in containers, rock gardens, along pathways, or even as a soft lawn alternative if you're into the cozy cottage feel. This is a plant that plays well with others, especially brassicas, onions, and even strawberries. Its natural antifungal and antibacterial properties mean it can help protect your veggies or herbs from certain diseases. Just be mindful not to overcrowd it, as it appreciates good airflow. One cool trait of Roman chamomile is its ability to self-heal and self-seed. If it's happy in its environment, it can lightly reseed itself and fill out bare patches over time. It also attracts beneficial insects like hoverflies and parasitic wasps that help manage garden pests. A friend to plants, pollinators, and people. Of course, we can't talk about chamomile without mentioning its famous calming effects. Roman chamomile is used to make teas, tinctures, and essential oils that help with stress, digestion, skin inflammation, and sleep. While German chamomile is more common in commercial tea bags, Roman chamomile is often preferred for topical products and essential oils due to its higher levels of soothing esters. Just remember, if you have allergies to ragweed or daisies, it's best to test carefully. Thanks for joining me today. Let me know in the comments if you've ever grown chamomile or used it in your own remedies or teas. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more garden goodness. Until next time, breathe deep and keep growing.